Starting off is the Honda Fit. It's tiny on the outside, but shockingly spacious inside. It comes with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder, producing around 117 horsepower, and it's known to run well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. It's cheap to insure, easy to park, and gets around 35 mpg. Clean examples usually sell for around $6,000 to $9,000. Next up is the Toyota Corolla. If you want boring but bulletproof, this is it. Its 1.8-liter engine makes about 132 horsepower, and it's famous for lasting well over 250,000 miles. Expect to pay around $6,500 to $9,500 for a clean one. Moving on to number 8, the Mazda 3. With a 2.0 or 2.5-liter engine making 148 to 167 horsepower, it's genuinely fun to drive while still being reliable and affordable to maintain. Prices usually range from $6,000 to $9,000. Few cars have the reputation the Honda Civic has. Most trims come with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder making 140 horsepower, delivering great fuel economy and legendary reliability. Parts are everywhere and cheap. Clean examples run about $6,500 to $9,500. Need something safer in bad weather? The Subaru Impreza comes standard with all-wheel drive, a huge advantage for new drivers. Its 2.0-liter engine makes 148 horsepower, and it holds strong safety ratings across the board. Prices typically fall between $7,000 and $10,000. Moving on to next car. The Hyundai Elantra is proof that a first car can be modern without being expensive. It comes with a 1.8-liter engine making 148 horsepower, solid safety scores, and often still has factory warranty coverage left. Expect to pay around $7,500 to $10,000. Moving on to next affordable car, the Toyota Camry. Its 2.4-liter four-cylinder makes 158 horsepower, while the V6 option offers 268 horsepower for those who want more power. It's known to run for decades with proper care. Prices usually range from $7,000 to $10,000. Finding a reliable pickup under 10 grand isn't easy, but the Toyota Tacoma is worth every penny. Available with either a four-cylinder or a 190 horsepower V6, this truck has built a legendary reputation for durability. Many examples have crossed 300,000 miles and are still going strong. Prices usually fall between $8,000 and $10,000, depending on condition. For new drivers who want an SUV, the Mazda CX-5 is one of the smartest picks. It comes with a 2.0 or 2.5-liter engine, making 155 to 184 horsepower, plus excellent safety ratings and available all-wheel drive. Expect prices between $9,000 and $12,000. And taking the number 1 spot is the Toyota Corolla XRS. It combines Corolla reliability with extra performance thanks to a 2.4-liter engine producing 158 horsepower, along with a sport-tuned suspension for sharper handling. It's practical enough for everyday driving, but still fun when the road gets twisty. With prices ranging from $8,500 to $10,000, it's one of the best all-around Toyotas you can buy on a budget.